We're going on a walk, a nice country walk in Broxville. Now you're going to see the new Google headquarters. This used to be a lovely walk. You can judge for yourself. This is the modern world we live in now. So this is the little canal along the way. Over the other side is the A10. Bit boring this bit, but these houses are all nice and quiet, all by the river. As we go further up, bit misty, very misty today, so how much we see of it, I don't know. Might not see anything, so it could be a waste of time. By the looks of it, we ain't going to see it. Look. Here we are. So, nice country walk. Blosh, that used to be a nice field. Fields are boring, but we all like fields. So there's that end, very scenic. This is the other end. Nice little ducky. All this path along the way, all the other side, is the Google premises. It's a misty day, so you can't really see it. Might not even bother with this. Real misty day. You can probably hear a bit of the noise. Well, it's Google headquarters. Google. We all use Google, including me, so I'm no hypocrite. Fence gone up there as well now, so do not break in. It's a shame, it's a very misty morning, not too clear. Here's one of the builders. It's creating loads of work, you can't deny that. Lovely little house here, bang opposite. And it's still quiet, don't get me wrong. And I'm all for creating jobs, so definitely not against that. St Mary's School. Beautiful sunflowers out here, isn't it? That's St Mary's School on the other side. And here we come. Google again. You can't really see the enormity of it because it's very misty. I'll probably have to come back and do another one. Wait till I get up the other end, you might see more. If you can imagine, that's just a field on the other side. Past that is the A10. And opposite that, a bit further up, is the Sun newspaper. Another blot on the landscape. But that's if you want modern technology, this is what you get. And we all love it. I'm using a phone right now. One of the builders working hard. Opposite again, it's the school, what you can't see. One of the mums going along. You can see a bit more of the work now. A bit bigger. And the old cranes. Probably start at 8, the boys all keen. Come on. Starting to work. It's massive, man. Apparently it's only going to be like 30 people manning it when it's out. And it's creating loads and loads of jobs, which is cool, you know. It's feeding these people's families, so I ain't going to stop that. I'm just saying, modern technology today, is it really improving our lives or blighting them? You know, that side looks a lot better to me. Fella's on his phone, look, bless him. Loads and loads of work. It's one of the biggest building sites I've seen, to be honest with you. And you can't see behind it. Behind that is a car park. It is absolutely banged out with construction cars and vehicles. We ain't even halfway there yet. Let's have another look. Here we go. Should have come on a clearer day, really, shouldn't I? But it's actually a very nice day. And the boys working hard. If you're into construction, man, this is your dream. They've got a substation a bit further up. Very nice substation. Say all these boys working here. I've got enough respect for them. Worked in the game all my life. Hard working people. It's not an easy game, construction. It can be rewarding. So, you know, maybe I'm just a miserable old git, really, and need to get with the modern technology. Who knows? I'm sure plenty of people love all this. But I'll come back tomorrow when it's a bit clearer. But I thought it was about time I came over here and showed people. Here's the school again on the other side. Nice and quiet. A bit more of a walk. Look, this is nice. Give them their dues. They put all spotlights in here. It looks lovely when it's lit up. So they're pumping money into the town. Waltham Cross Herts here. They must have earned a few quid out of this somewhere along the line. I'm sure they did. But God knows what all that is. It's like Battersea, smaller version. I've no clue. Someone might. Plenty of busy people. Busy. There's all more cranes up here. Look, those are ground workers. Loads and loads of work. And this is just off the M25, the A10, M25 junction, Lieutenant Ellis Way. Any of you know Tesco Country Club? It ain't far from there. And now the boys are really gruff, you know. When all the construction's gone, it'll be a nice quiet walk again. It ain't really that noisy. But to me, it's still a blot on the landscape. The changing world of Britain as we know it. And who don't use Google, eh? I'm probably using it right now. Everywhere we go, Google. Little Robin there, if you can see her. She's gone. I don't hang about. Used to be all horses over there, but they got rid of them. Here we go, some more work going on. Look. Maybe this is interesting to you guys, just so something to have a look at, you know. Don't know if anyone's seen what's going on. As I say, they're working really hard, these fellas. Civil engineering is a good trade to get into. And whoever's got a contract here is earning a few bob. We'll come up by the river now. Used to be a big mansion over here. To the left, you've got Cheshunt Football Club, and Theobald's Park. On the right, Theobald Station. Let's have a look. All the kids walk down to St Mary's there. That's the pathway from the A10 to the school. But here, look. It's a big old substation there. Loads of work going on. I'll walk a bit further down. See, no horses are allowed down here. That's the countryside it was. That was their mansion over there. Someone's field. Should belong to travellers. Loads of work. Yeah. Google. How much are Google worth? Anyone know? Billions, trillions, billions? It's a substation, isn't it? Mad, isn't it? I don't know what all this stuff does, but it's amazing to look at. All the boys working hard. I'm sure there's some women there somewhere. That was a little statue. Working hard. Gallagher's. They seem to have a few vans. Good old Irish name. Working well, man. Working hard. Another big old Gallagher van. Yeah. Bit of advertising for you, lads. Look at this. More Google. I ain't walking too quick. Look at that. Oh, what's going down there? Stairs. Keep out. I love all this gear. Look. Mad. If anyone's into construction, this is the place to be. Another great big old. That was all one big field, that was. Big old mansion. Strictly no access. Danger. Keep out. There's a lot of kids down here, so not that they're silly enough to jump over. I don't think anyone will. Nice little van. Job he's got. Meep. Flooded over there, look at that. A life buoy. Maybe someone's going to drown in that puddle, eh? Caution, construction, traffic ahead. Always working on. That's the access. Coming up to the A10 now. There's all the details of what's going on. You're getting a picture how big this Google is yet, eh? Massive, man. Printing money, Google is. Wouldn't mind being a pound behind it. Here we go, to the old lorry. Stay in video all day, I could. Probably a sad sack in my really. You guys might enjoy it. So here we go. This is walking up to the A10. This was my this was a nice country walk. Now Google.com. That was the old mansion, that big old country mansion that was. I've got a picture of it somewhere. Pile of rubble, that. That's progress for you. Someone's house, someone's family house that was. There's a bit of a dispute over that. As well, who owns the wheel and all that. Little memories there, crushed. We stand up here, you might get a better view of it all. Look, that's the A10 there, just by that and you see the cars going past. Looks like those are insulation, that stuff, I'm sure. Look at that. That's the future of Britain right there, man. Google headquarters. Yeah. I just walked up to the A10. So any of you that know the manor, you'll get a rough idea where you are, where this is. It's such a shame that day's not clear enough. I'll do it on a clearer day. Here's all the cars parked up, you can probably see them. There's thousands of them, trust me. Here's everyone going to work now. Google. The A10. Cheshunt Football Club across the way. Peebles Park. Coming soon, new industrial unit. Excuse my videoing, ain't that great? I thought some people out there might find this interesting. Others might think, what is this geezer doing? This is boring. Here we go, here's the A10. So it's all central, this Google place, to everywhere. M25 next junction up. London, 8 miles up the road. Here's the other side. What it did look like. Can't really see, it's so misty. There was a geezer living in his van over there. They cleared him out when it was started. Bless him. A little mobile home. Here we go, back again. Just both ways. Where can we end this video? Look, that looks like Southend Beach, doesn't it, down there? If you're into, you know, mud splashing or mud larking, whatever they call it, you might find some gear up there. Who knows what this was before years ago. In my lifetime it's just been barren land, but that's all ending now. That's all ending. But as I say, this is progress. And you know what? That satellite, Google satellite, I found it, innit? Do we even need exams anymore? Just Google everything. Google it all. Even Google your own name. Who are you? Yeah, people use this for cycling. Walking to school a bit early at the moment. All the kids will come down here. Unless they've got a day off today. Could be half term, I ain't got a clue. But Mary's school is up here, and that's where they get off. From the A10 down Fearballs and walk down here. It's a very nice school from what I've heard. Here you go, look. Thousands, millions of pounds sitting here. And every plant crossing. What's that, a daffodil? Tulip? I don't know. Me. I'm getting at the end of this video now. Geezer, security bloke that's half asleep, bless him. Probably doing a 12-hour shift all day. Who knows? Oh, like I say, this is giving people work, putting bread and butter on the table, feeding families, so, you know, I ain't knocking it. These people working here deserve all they get. They're working very hard. Rain and mud at the minute, up to their eyeballs in it. Up to their eyeballs in it. fancy working in construction. There's plenty of work in it. It looks great. I'd love to have a go at it. Old Gallagher, he's working hard. One of the hardest workers on this site, what I can see. I'd like to be a pound behind him today. There we go, another Gallagher. Giving you boys a good advert, old Gallagher's. Remember me and you will. If you need a JCB, they seem to be the boys, you know. These look like little nice mobile homes on a seaside site, but they ain't. They're like some kind of generator thing. God knows what all this stuff does. I'd love to know. Mind blowing. I'm sure some of you people on here know what's going on. Anyway, that's their little Broxbourne Barrow statue, the old badger. I can't lie, I've only ever seen dead badgers in Broxbourne, normally in the road. How sad's that? I'm sure some have seen some alive ones. There's another boy, he's jet washing his wheels. That seems a pretty pointless job here, but that's what he's doing. CTV to check on everyone. Slinger signal man, waiting for the crane. Here we go. Dodgy video once again. But crossing back down the river, back down the end of the road. Public footpath here. No cycling, or cycling I should say, pedestrians, more countryside. And on this note, I think I'm going to leave it, and you guys can make up your mind. What's the better side of the road? Unspoilt countryside or modern technology? You guys make your mind up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it ain't been too boring or sad. Probably has been, but hey ho, have a great day. Google, Google, Google.